Titan by Utility, a unified platform designed for seamless IP camera video integration, specifically crafted to elevate situational awareness. Titan seamlessly integrates video from your camera network, allowing for live streaming and recording, bolstering incident response, accelerating case closure, and fortifying public safety. Agencies can tailor their workspace and retrieve media securely from the cloud anytime, and can harness AI tools to pinpoint crucial videos. Thanks to its integration with Polaris, Titan allows easy video playback, editing, cloud transfers, and robust case management, all within a user-friendly interface. Titan's flexible pricing structure aligns with your agency's camera network size. There's no need for additional equipment purchases, and you only pay for what you use. Titan integrates seamlessly with the live map view in Polaris, providing law enforcement with an amplified view for situational awareness. This includes fixed cameras, in-car video, body-worn cameras, and automated license plate recognition. Departments can increase investigative efficiency by utilizing Citizen Upload, Polaris's voluntary camera registry program, which facilitates the requests of video evidence from citizens and businesses. This simple-to-use crowdsourcing tool leverages, among other things, cell phone captured video. Citizens upload potential evidence directly into cases, accelerating investigations. Video feeds can be shared with officers in the field, giving them a situational landscape before arriving on scene. Titan enables control centers to integrate floor plans into the map view, fostering real-time strategy development with a live tactical whiteboard. Through Polaris, video evidence can be clipped, categorized, annotated, and swiftly integrated into cases. The chain of custody in Polaris ensures the availability of all data added to a case, from Titan and other sources. This ensures visibility of all media and activity related to a case, while preventing unauthorized access or tampering. Titan, integrating diverse camera feeds into a comprehensive view, facilitating prompt incident response, swift crime resolution, and enhanced public safety. Utility's universe of solutions, built to work together to deliver unmatched efficiency and clarity.